Would you like an industry professional to set up, manage, and optimize your Google Ads PPC campaign at a price you can afford and in as little as 4 days? If so, you've definitely found the right gig. Hi, my name is Danijel. I'm a digital marketer with over 7 years of experience managing highly profitable Google Ads, and I'm a certified specialist in this industry. Time and time again, I have boosted ROI and revenue just by running effective campaigns, and I will do my best to help you achieve desired results. Here's a little of what I can offer. I offer complete Google Ads account management and optimization. This includes keyword research tailored for your target audience, optimal ad group creation, and full competitor analysis. I also provide custom bid strategy and position management, setting up ad extensions and SEM campaigns optimization for a positive ROI. The results you can expect to see from working with me are improved click-through rates, quality work that follows best practices, and optimized campaign performance. Make the background music energetic.